to decode the structure, the pathways, and the attitudes. So, what exactly happens in a counseling session? In a counseling session, the client is coming to you, and as a therapist, you don't know why. And you should not know why, right? It's something that you discover with them. That's how the process is. That is how it is, right? You discover with them, and you discover with them how and what and everything. Maybe they are coming to grieve. Maybe they are coming because they know what the problem is. Maybe they are saying that, you know what, I have stage fear. Maybe they are coming in because they're telling you that, hey, you know what, I had a loss this week about something. So they specifically know what it is, or they don't know what it is. What are you doing is discovering with them slowly and together what is it that they've come for. Now, while you're doing this, the who is doing is very important. The what you're doing, the who is doing, and who are they, and all of that. Who are you working with? That's the first thing to know. Who are you working with? Who are you working with? Who is this person? What kind of roles do they play in life? And when I say who are they working with, we don't have to do an entire inventory with them. We are not taking the entire biography from them. But that point, which is important for the context and for the session, must be elicited. So, what are the list of things that you can elicit, right? You can elicit what are their roles? What are their roles? What are their rules? What are their values? What are their beliefs? What permissions do they have in their lives? You can understand what are their identities. You can understand what promises have they made, what are they in service to. You can understand what are their capabilities, what are their limitations, what are their blocks. And that's what you're listening to, right? You're listening to these things. Maybe you don't need all of this, and of course you don't need all of this, but you need one of this, because that one will tell you who is sitting with you on the chair. This person on the chair, who is this person who's sitting with you on the chair? Maybe today a mother is sitting. Maybe today a teacher is sitting. Maybe today somebody is sitting who has lost everything. Maybe somebody is sitting who wants to achieve something, but they're not able to achieve that. Who is this person today? So what we are eliciting is the hologram. This is the structure of the hologram. Yeah, who's coming in? Who's crying? Who's fighting? Who is this person today? So your curiosity completely is to find out, ये बंदा कौन है जो मेरे सामने आज बैठा हुआ है? ये प्रेमी है क्या? ये कौन है ये बंदा जो मेरे सामने बैठा हुआ है? And if I don't elicit the who is sitting in front of me, then I may be hitting in the dark. This who is extremely, extremely important. The next thing that you find out is, who are you now? Who are you now? In their presence, who have you become? And who were you before you got in the room? Did you have a fight with someone and then did you come? Did you have a breakup before you came? Are you dealing with a close member's loss? Are you fighting and complaining about something so deeply? So who are you? And this who are you is very important. Because if this person is not neuro clean, then this person is bringing in contamination in the session. So this who is so important.